Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your website with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to use Hostinger email, business email like info@yourdomain.com, the good news is everything stays inside Hostinger and the setup is much simpler than third-party email. So most problems happen because people change DNS unnecessarily or mix email providers, so I will not. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to Hostinger email in 2026 like Pro. Okay, so first thing first, check that Hostinger email is active. So log into Hostinger panel, so go to emails, check that you see active email plan and correct domain listed. Okay, so if no email plan exists, purchase Hostinger email, assign it to your domain. Okay, and email must be active before DNS can work. Okay, so create your email address. So in hpanel emails, select your domain, click create email account and choose email name, password and mailbox size. So save your email address now exists, but DNS must allow delivery. Okay, so verify DNS records for his Hostinger email. So if your domain uses Hostinger name services, this is usually automatic. Check anyway to go to domains, DNS or zone editor. You should see records like mx1.hostinger.com or mx2.hostinger.com. Okay, so if these already exist, you are good. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.